We do you too. Welcome to Hip Hop World. It's your boy Papa Benji. We are back with another visual today. Y'all know these visuals get very critical. Without further ado, God is good and God bless you all the more positivity and prosperity in your aura. Make sure y'all grab some Zasa Pocket, whatever y'all need to relax. Make sure y'all join that membership and subscribe, man. Without further ado, let's lock it in, man. Gotta hit him with, oh, there you go. There you go. This nigga running on a motorcycle. DDG, what it do, man? Yo, he's out on that motorcycle. Brody is out. Yeah, this how you lose your motherfucking life here. Yo! Now my boy, don't you think it's time to like terminate the pursuit? Boy, you going damn near 150. God damn! I want to see how you catch him. Yeah, he going out. He going crazy right now. That boy going Scotty. Oh shit! Yo, what the fuck?
Show me your hands!
Put your hands
out! Put your hands out now! Put your hands out! Put your hands out! Put your hands out! Keep your hands out!
My back's broke.
Bruh! 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 What the fuck just happened to you, my boy? What just happened to you? What just happened to this man? He broke his back, he said?
You shouldn't have ran.
Oh, please.
That's what you get being dumb. Get on your stomach.
I can't move. Please help me. Oh, my fucking God. Dude, I'm so bad.
You idiot.
Huh?
Please.
Now, we gotta play that shit back, y'all. This nigga, Brady ain't just do that shit, bruh. Brady ain't just do that shit, bruh.
You lost it. Laid it down. You missed it. You got thrown from it. You lost it. Laid it down.
Dumbass. Bro, look at his ass, bro. Yeah. Bruh. Why did you do that shit? You should have just stopped, bruh. You should have just stopped, bruh. What the fuck is going on, bruh? Fucking
Put your
stupid
hands
ass
out!
down somewhere.
Put your hands out! Put your hands out!
Now you need help.
My back's broke.
You shouldn't have ran.
Now you need
That's
help.
what you get being dumb. Get on your stomach.
I can't.
He did a cartwheel. He did a cartwheel.
You idiot.
Please help. Please. Please. Help.
Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. You lucky you ain't lose your life because I would have felt bad for you. But since you didn't, now we gotta laugh it off. Just with a dumbass.
Don't move. Do not move.
Oh, he got a weapon?
Get your
Damn,
hands
bro,
out.
you grabbing his whole ass crack, brody. Chill.
Please stop.
Yeah.
Please get off my please.
Get out. Get your hands out. Get your hands out now. Put your hands out.
Oh my God, please get off my
Mayfield, we're in the curves. One detained on the ground. Get the EMS.
Please help me, my back is fucked up.
There's only one detained on the
Please,
What's your name?
Timothy Andrews.
Why are you running?
Because I don't have a license.
It's dumb.
Embarrassing.
You got anything on you?
No. God damn, please help me.
You shouldn't have ran.
Please. Please help me.
Shame on your back.
Oh my God, please help, please. Please stop.
His back might be his back actually might be broke though. Broke out.
Please help me.
I got an ambulance coming.
Please. Please take the helmet off my head, please.
I got you. Listen to me. I'm gonna roll you over, all right? Look at me. It's
Please don't.
listen.
Please don't.
Listen. It's over. Okay?
It hurts
Got
so
an ambulance
bad.
coming.
It hurts
It
so
probably
bad.
does. Calm
Oh
down.
my God.
Listen to me. I'm gonna roll you over.
No, please
I'm not.
don't.
I'm just on your back, all right?
Please
You're on your
don't.
side. Listen to me. I'm gonna do it so you can breathe.
Okay.
I cannot take your helmet off. Okay? If your back is hurt, if I take your helmet off, it can make it worse. Okay?
Please take the pressure off. Please.
Okay, let's roll over. Look, kick your leg up. Your other leg. Do you have anything on?
This probably your last time riding a goddamn motorcycle on the low.
No, sir.
Crazy, right?
No, sir.
Drugs?
No.
Knives? I got your knife.
Please. Please, sorry, it hurts so bad. Oh my
Hey, can you check on EMS? You check ETA or EMS?
please. Oh my God. What the fuck?
Did it to
Shouldn't have
yourself.
ran, man. You should just stopped.
I don't have a license.
Well, I'd have written you a ticket, brother.
Don't have a
You run,
license.
you got hurt, you wrecked your bike.
Oh my God.
Hey,
Unfortunate.
you got a felony.
Please.
I don't have a license. So you ran?
Came up with
Oh my God.
Idiot.
one. They're about in about 7 minutes.
Hang out for me, all right? Does this come up?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna lift it up, all right? How do I do
Got
it?
a button under the chin.
Right here?
Yeah.
There you go.
A lot of static.
Oh my.
How old are you? 30?
38.
38?
I don't know.
38. 38. You 38 years old running because you ain't got no license or your license suspended. Idiot.